Hey YouTube, it's me. Uh, this is the first video of the New Year's, and guess what? I'm sick. Um, I got a sinus infection on the 3rd of January, so that's great. But at least the weather is pretty nice. I think I'll be over this in about a week, maybe. Um, so yeah. Uh, this is awkward. But oh well, I'm sick, but I'm alright. I'm managing, and it's a really beautiful day and it's really warm, so. I will be getting back to making videos soon. I'm sorry for the late uploads, y'all. I'm sorry. My health comes first. Anyway, yeah.